Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. So let's get straight with today's video. Today I'm gonna be showing you some behind the scenes stuffs. Yes, today is a very weird video because I'm gonna be showing you, since we are in the fall season and about to approach to the winters. So I'm going to be showing you I messed up with my art clay and with my business, the thing. And for those of you guys who was thinking that I'm kind of like a more polished or professional, no, at times I'm kind of like a more messy. And also I'm going to be talking about one of the beautiful I got from one of the people who watched my video. And I really want to talk about that beautiful email because I think that I really appreciate the way that person is incorporated all the things in that email. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm not going to be disclosing that particular person's name. I would be keeping it as a private, but I'm going to be talking about that. So let's dive in. If you really enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing. A bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You could also subscribe to our email newsletter if you want exclusive content regarding making money online. So let's dive in. Email. Now, I think yesterday or a few days back only, I received an email from someone which I never expected. Now, many of you guys watch my videos and they do leave a beautiful comments and I really appreciate that. But this was the comment that was really amazing, and it was an amazing email. The person in the email were talking about that they really like my videos, they really enjoy that video, especially talking about the Zazzle video that I make about the pro. Like for those of you guys who don't know, I recently became a pro seller. I'm gonna leave the video in the card section above if you want to check it out. And I made that video, and on the same day itself, that particular person also became a pro designer on Zazzle. So congratulations to you as well. A big congratulations. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for liking my videos and actually sending me an email. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for that. That the way that person constructed the email, he or she was actually first of all said that they actually like my videos. They watched that Zazzle Pro Designer videos and they really liked it. They sent me one suggestion, one advice that I talk too fast in my videos. Yes, I do talk too fast. I don't know why. Like also when I am talking to some people in my normal life, like with my family members, with my friends, with my boyfriend, I do talk a lot. I do talk fast at times. And they were like, "What did you say? Can you just repeat it?" And I was like too fast talking to them. I don't know why is that so. Maybe because I'm more confident when I'm talking too fast, but I get that. He or she was saying that they were not able to cope up with my videos because I've been talking too fast, and they really took some time to understand what I'm talking in the video. So I'm sorry for that. I don't know, but I talk very fast. Yes, that's my natural stuff. Maybe a good, maybe a bad, whatever it is. But from next upcoming videos, I'm gonna be trying to actually talk slow in my videos. Now in this video you can see I'm really talking slow. I'm trying to because I talk fast. That's true. Like when I talk to my parents, with other people, I do talk fast, and they were like, "Can you just repeat it? What you said that we didn't get it?" And I was like, did I say too fast? It's not in my routine. I talk fast in my routine. So we'll try to do slowly for you guys because I really want to make videos that help you and also that you can understand it very well. Because if I'm making the video and you can't understand it, then what's the purpose of that? So I'm going to be trying to go slow in my future upcoming videos. And do let me know anything if you want to say about my videos. Now, I want to say sometimes I work in the dark light because most of the times I record my video in the morning, in the afternoon, when the sun is there, when the natural light is more there. Other times when I don't get that much of time, then I record the videos at the night or in the evening when the sun is not there, when it's too dark outside. I'm using that artificial light, so at that time the light is not good, even though I try to use the filter at times to actually manipulate that lighting, but still sometimes the video may be dark, the brightness wasn't good. But guys, I'm still working on that because I'm still working towards it, and I hopefully in the future I'm gonna have my own studio where I'm gonna be recording the videos for you guys, a more professional kind of like things and all those kind of stuff. Hopefully I'm gonna have in the future, like I'm manifesting it. Yes, finger crossed. But anyway guys, so I'm so happy that that person reached out to me and sent me some suggestion as well, because I do really need it, because not many people talk about the suggestion on my comments. Like some people say that they really love my videos and they really liked it, and thank you so much for those beautiful comments. But I do really appreciate this email. He or she really actually made it in such a beautiful way that I really liked it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be trying to speak slowly for my future upcoming videos. You guys, behind the scenes stuff, me messing up. Those of you guys who don't know, I have always showing you my professional side. I never shown you my messed up stuff, so I'm gonna be showing you that. Now I'm just gonna be shifting my camera. Now you could see at the back of the bed there's a really messed up. Now that's my window from the natural light is coming, and at the back you could see guys, really messed up. I've been working recently with the clay and messing up a lot. So I'm just gonna shift my camera for you guys and go. Those of you guys who have been following my art channel, they know very well what I've been working now. That this is the latest thing I did painted on an old CD that I was having. I really painted on it and I made that on poster on my art channel. Now this one is the clay that I worked yesterday, and you could see there are a lot of cracks. So I messed up with that because I am new to the clay world. And also it's approaching the winter, it's approaching the fall, so the things are not good. This thing is wood, and this thing I made recently, so it's kind of like a more messy. You could see I'm completely messed up. Guys, I want to show you here. You could see that the things are quite messy. Like these are my clay instruments that I work with. This is my mortar pestle, this is the another clay, this is the things. This is another clay part, this is another clay. So even with this one, and this one is a mat, like it's made from the cardboard. I sometimes use tiles, sometimes use a ceramic, and sometimes use a cardboard because I really one of the eco-friendly approaches. So kind of like a more messed up guys. See guys, these are the windows that usually the light comes in. I just shut it down because the voice comes out in my videos. I really need to do that. Now everything is so messed up. You could see my desk table. The clay is there in my bedroom. I used to do in my art studio, but recently it's in my bedroom. I bring everything in my bedroom, and I've been working on my bed. So you could see it's so messy. And see guys, this is the bed that I was having. Like this is the bed area. And you could see I usually work in my art studio that I have in the terrace for working with my art and clay, and also sometimes I do record the videos over there as well. But recently I bring everything in my bedroom only. Like my bed is there, you could see my bed is there, and everything I bring in my bedroom, and I kept it in the near the window side. And you could see this on the art and clay vlog as well. And when I was working on the clay, it was too wet because it's the winter, it's the fall. You could see although the bright sun is there, like the bright sun is there, you could see very well, but it's still too wet for me to work upon. It's taking a lot of the time to dry, and it develops a crack. So it's really messed up guys. I really want to show you this thing of me because I don't want to always come out as a professional, as a polished person, because that's not the reality. I mean, everyone on this planet Earth doesn't always have their professional or polished side. They do have a messy side as well. Like every entrepreneur which you admire, maybe everyone, I think everyone, anyone in which you admire also have their messy side. And it feels so amazing when someone shows their messy side and someone shows that they are real humans, not a polished professional entrepreneurs. It really feels so much connected to talk with them, to interact with them, to watch their videos and all those kind of stuff. So I always thought that I'm going to be showing you guys behind the scenes stuff, what I work, and I'm not really at that kind of professional. I am really messy. Like you could see my hairs as well. I'm really messy. Like my hairs are kind of like a curly, and sometimes I try to straighten up, but it doesn't work that well, and sometimes I just keep it like that only. I think that it looks well without any straightening up. So this is behind the scenes stuff. A lot of the things are going messy. I'm gonna give it a small break with my art and clay because I don't know what's working, why it's not working well, and why I'm developing cracks on these clay surface. And also guys, I've been working on my business recently, updating the magazine, working on the new magazine that will going to be launched in January. And winter, like summer is almost gone, the fall is there, but still you could see the bright sun, and you sometimes see the winters coming. the cold waves and all those kind of stuff. So I don't know, guys. Right now I am messy, I can say that much. I thought that when I'm gonna be showing you behind the scenes stuff, it would be more polished or more professional, but you could see it's more messy. That's the reality. I'm not always in a mood to be a professional, to be a polished person, and I'm not really in that way a polished or professional person. I'm more of kind of like a messy person as well, working on my whole clay stuff on my bedroom. Could you imagine that, guys? This is my clay pack, guys. Now you could see it's a gray clay. This is a wooden popsicle. You can use anything which you want if you are also working on a clay like me. And if you have any experience in the clay, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, because I don't have that much of experience working with the clay. Like, I'm a newbie to it and I love this medium, but it's just that it's sometimes too tricky to work with it because I'm new to it. So you could see this is so messy with the clay, and I was keeping this particular container on my bed and working on my bed with that. So that was like, what the heck I'm doing? I should be doing all those things in my art studio on the upstairs, and I was doing everything on my bed. So that's why my bedroom is so messed up. It's the morning right now, guys. I think also almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and my room is messed up. I think I need to go and just do clean up everything, but before that I thought that let me just make a video for you behind the scenes stuff, what I'm working on with my art and clay, with being an artist, with being an online entrepreneur as well, and being as a normal female as well. I've showed you everything. Now usually the people think that, oh, females need to be tidying up the room, there needs to be more tidy and clean up the room and all those kind of stuff. No, there is an exception as well, and I come in the exception. I kind of like work in more messy area than you ever think of. And when I'm working with the clay, I literally work with the messy, like all my hands completely filled with the clay, and it doesn't even bother me that much. When someone will going to look at, hey, how you're working, and I'm like, I'm fine with this. I feel more happy to work with messing with the clay and working with that. So yesterday I've been working with this clay on the bedroom, guys. So there is a big advice. When you're working with the clay, never work on the bedroom, or never work in the bedroom, because you're gonna see that everything will going to be messed up on your bed, and when you're about to go to sleep, you have to clean it up. So never ever do that. I did that, but I really enjoy that as well. So being a messy is not that bad, guys. Now this is the behind the scenes stuff, me showing you what I'm working on, what life is working with being an artist, with being a painter, with being an ceramic artist as well, clay artist, whatever you call it. I don't know what's the exact word is it, but anyways. And thank you so much for your beautiful comments, for that beautiful email that I received yesterday or maybe a few days back. I don't remember the date, but I was so happy to receive that, and I was extremely delighted to read all the things that person has written in that email. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try to speak slowly. Yes, I really need to try it because I speak too fast. And hopefully you enjoyed today's video, guys. It's behind the scenes stuff of an online entrepreneur, a female entrepreneur, and an artist, and a sculpture clay artist. Yes, I love it. I love it. So thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Now this is the video for people who want to see my behind the scenes stuff. Maybe some of the people don't want to see that. They want me talking about how to make money online, Redbubble, Zazzle, print on demand, Career Fabrica. So this video is not for those people. It's for those people who want to see my own behind the scenes stuff. It's for those people too. But do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Are you also working on your art? The artist, do you work with the clay? Or if you're not an artist, do you have a messy day or a messy morning? Or as being an entrepreneur, as being a person? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, because this kind of stuff really excites me and really help in connecting with the people more one-on-one rather than just talking about making money online. Anyways, guys, I love both the kind of the videos. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.